Good morning, friends. Lovely weather is drizzling and a refreshing morning. और आज मैं बात करूंगा एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे जिसपे मैं जनरली बात करता नहीं. The title of today's talk is the marriage, the dream, the reality. आप सब ने you all must have heard that old rhyme, nursery rhyme. Curly locks, will you be mine? You will not wash the dishes, not even feed the swine, but sit on a cushion and sew a few seam and feast upon strawberries, sugar and cream. My friend, curly locks, will you be mine? What do you think yourself about the marriage? Think about this rhyme. Uh, uh, all strawberries, sugar, cream. Do you think that all marriages is all fun and bliss? The bed of roses? Think of any flower. Unfortunately, my friend, roses don't come alone. They always come with thoughts. Ask your parents. They will tell you better. इससे पहले मैं अपने मैरिज के ख्यालात पेश करूं, I just want to share something. I remember that कि साहब वो हिना की शादी हो रही थी और हिना घबराई हुई अपने सहेली से कहती है, अपनी दोस्त से कहती कि देखो जिससे मेरी शादी होने वाली थी, ठीक है, वो कल किसी और लड़की के साथ भाग गया. कितनी तकलीफ की बात है. तो उसकी सहेली कुछ ज्यादा समझदार थी, एक्सपीरियंस थी. वो कहती है इसमें तकलीफ की क्या बात है, इसमें बदकिस्मती की क्या बात है. ये तो खुशकिस्मती है कि वो जो होने वाले आपके शौहर थे वो शादी के बाद भागते, वो शादी के पहले ही भाग गए. 10-15 साल जो भी साल साथ रह के जिस तकलीफ से आप गुजरना पड़ता, उसने तो भागकर आप पर मेहरबानी की, उन तकलीफों से आपको निजात दिला दी. एंड सेम गोज, आई रिमेंबर माय मोस्ट फेवरेट मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन. व्हेन ही वाज डाइंग, लास्ट ब्रेथ ही वाज काउंटिंग, तो लोगों ने कहा कि भाई मुल्ला, कोई अब तुम्हारा इंतकाल होने वाला है, कोई ख्वाहिश हो तो बताओ. उसकी आखिरी सांसें चल रही थी जिंदगी की. तो कहता ऐसा करो कि मेरी बीवी मेरे पास नहीं है, तो उसको एक खत लिख दो. उसमें लिखो कि माई, मेरी जान से प्यारी, मेरी राहत जिंदगी, तुमसे अच्छा कोई नहीं. तुमने मुझे इतना सुकून, मेरा इतना ख्याल रखा कि मैं लफ्ज़ों से बयान नहीं कर सकता. मैं अपना शुक्रिया कैसे लिखूं ये मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बहरहाल शुक्रिया, नवाजिश कि आपने मेरा इतना ख्याल रखा और मेरी ज़िंदगी में इतनी खुशहाली लाई. आपका नसरुद्दीन. और कहने लगे इसी खत का एक कॉपी शीला, नीला, कमला, विमला और आशा को भी भेज देना. पता नहीं कितनी शीला, कमला, विमला और आशाएं हर मर्द की जिंदगी में होती है. तो आप सोचिए, व्हाट पीपल गेट्स इन मैरिज. आप कभी सोचो, शादी में वो साहब उस बंदे को घोड़े में बिठा दिया जाता है, वो जो कभी जिंदगी में घोड़े में नहीं बैठा हो, उसको घोड़े में बिठा देते हैं और उसको बादशाहों वाले कपड़े पहना देते हैं, शेरवानी, तलवार और क्या क्या. उसको यकीन होने लगता है कि एज इफ इज गोइंग फॉर सम, ही इज लाइक एन एम्परर. अरे मेरे खुदा के बंदो, कभी उस घोड़े से भी पूछो कि उसने कितने गधों को ढोया है पूरी जिंदगी और पार लगाया है. You see, they think of the marriage. There was a young girl. I was posted in Hisar somewhere. His father has come on another army officer. He has brought his family, and he had a daughter. So we used to evening after the badminton game we used to talk. So I just said, "What are you doing?" So she said, "I am just finishing my law, and thereafter I'll be free." And उसके बाद मैं कहा उसके बाद free means what? What you'll do? कहते कुछ नहीं, some handsome, charming prince will come. Then we will go. Now she's thinking of a dream castle, not too serious about her studies and all that. After marriage, there'll be some kind of a dream castle set in a wood full of, rippling brooks and singing birds. Would a dream castle be a really dream at all? Or just a prosaic flat in some prosaic street where instead of the musing and ripplings of the brooks and the singing birds, she had to listen to the caw of the crow and the cries of the street hawkers every day 24/7. Well, my friends, then, give it a thought. What is marriage? It's certainly a landmark in one's life, a turning over of a new page in one book of life. It's the beginning of a brand new chapter, as it were a chapter quite disconnected with everything that has gone before. It's an absolutely fresh, new, mysterious beginning. I was long time back used to be a RDC, Republic Day Parade Commander of the NCC groups. So all these girls from various battalions used to get together, boys, and so that we could prepare for 10 days for finally participating in RDC, send our contingent. So there, in a cultural program, we used to get the best of the cadets, the girls and boys together, and perform and give talk, debate, dance, or show some skill. So I give example of two girls. There was the two girls, let's call it girl A and girl B. Girl A was too docile, very sensitive, very serious, very obedient, very good looking. And girl B, she was equally, reasonably, all girls are good looking. She was also good looking, but she was smart, street smart. She could speak whatever is required, manages her way through. She could protect herself, and she believed that confrontation is not the way, conciliation is the way. She could be medically dressed and very smart. She won't let anybody come near her, and she will not be all obedient, very good, subservient. No. Now you give it a thought. Out of these two girls, who will be the good wife? Who can prove to be a good wife and have a chance of longer relationship in a marriage? Same goes for boys. You take two boys, put the same condition, then think who will be the best boy. My friend, you'll get an answer. And these two, the fact is very clear that before marriage, you are at the receiving end. Your parents are there to look after you. They are there to look everything for you. They do it for you. After marriage, you will be giving. You will be at the giving end. And before the marriage, you are generally at the. You will have the responsibility, a great responsibility. It will be you and your husband. And for husband, husband and a wife. You and your wife. And later, of course, children. Now, no more you will pursue your own interests, only you will be one half of the partnership. You and your husband. After all, All marriages is the living together and living together for rest of your life in a close proximity of many other people, relatives, your husband or wife's relative, whosoever are staying with you, and all are different people. It is the different people with different temperament, different personality, each with his or her own strong likes and dislikes. Just imagine how it's difficult to maintain that balance. If this do not send call for a friend is called for it called for the hard work, actually, a great determination and physical and moral stamina. However, remember, no amount of hard work will succeed in making a marriage and all that should be if there is no love and respect. You wear out ultimately. I don't mean that, I don't include that infatuation of the early honeymoon days. No, that remains everywhere. The love that cement the marriage bond is that steady flame of friendship and closeness that should begin to glow and to grow together. So go into the marriage whenever I feel with lots of clarification and with open eyes. Once you are one, now you are two in one. So marriage has no room for self-centeredness. It is simply a partnership where you have to give up, you have to consider, you have to have space for other. It is not something to be entered into lightly at all. It is something to be embarked upon in a spirit of responsibility. Responsibility towards your partner. In life, responsibility towards your children. You will be both bringing into the world. You must have heard, I just said it, about the happy marriages. I think they are found only on dictionary or the lexicon and nowhere else. It changes everything. I remember when Mullah Nasruddin got fed up of his wife. So he tells Guljan ki listen, मैं हिंदुस्तान के इंडिया के स्क्रिप्चर्स पढ़ रहा था, तो मैं तुलसीदास की एक रचना से बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ. तो गुलजान कहती क्या है? कहने उनका एक दुआ है, बहुत मशहूर है कि ढोल गंवार और पशु नारी ये सब हैं ताड़न के अधिकारी. जैसे उन्होंने ये सुनाया गुलजान को कि ढोल गंवार पशु शूद्र पशु नारी ये सब हैं ताड़न के अधिकारी, तो गुलजान कहती कि देखो मुल्ला, तुमको मालूम है मैं भी इसी दोहे से बहुत ज़्यादा मुतासिर हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय दिस कपलेट. वाई? बिकॉज इसमें से ढोल गंवार शूद्र पशु नारी, मैं तो सिर्फ नारी हूँ, तुम तो चार हो. दिस इज व्हाट इट गोज ऑन. Mullah Nasruddin was traveling in a bus. You see? So what happened? वो अपनी घर से बेगम से पिट के आए थे. अब बस में जैसे ही चढ़े वहाँ जगह नहीं थी, तो वहाँ खड़े होकर देखा एक मोहतरमा कोई आगे खड़े. अब साहब उसमें पकड़ के वो मोहतरम झटकों से ज़्यादा उससे बार बार भिड़ रहे थे. So the lady tells him कि listen, old man, better behave yourself and stand properly. आप इंसान हैं कि जानवर? तो मुल्ला कहता बिल्कुल आपने ठीक फरमाया, मैं दोनों हूँ. अभी घर से पिट के आए और तब उसका ये हाल है. मैं दोनों हूँ, मैं आदमी भी हूँ और जानवर भी हूँ. तो कहती ये कैसे हो सकता है? तुम दोनों हो, आदमी भी जानवर भी. चले देखिए, आप मेरी जान, मैं आपका वर, हो गया जानवर. Every man has the similar kind of psychological state. I feel very strongly the marriage is for the people who do not have the sharpness of mind. But one must go for it. I tell every man should try, they should not get married, and every woman must ensure that she gets married. It's the most interesting and a turning point in life. Now you got to decide that what you opt for it. Attention of the people in marriage is important, going beyond yourself. I want to go on and on. And before you develop a negative attitude about marriage, I still say it's a wonderful thing. हमारे गांव में कहते हैं भैया वो शादी की वो लड्डू है जो खाए तो पछताए, जो ना खाए तो पछताए. तो वहाँ तो कहते हैं शायद बेहतर वही है कि जो खा के पछता. You all try and share your views. Thank you very much.